Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, on the gold market we continue to monitor the situation around the grabber that has been formed last week, because we already have mentioned the real importance of this grabber, because it could break the overall bearish setup on the daily chart. Particularly speaking, as we know and as we already talked about it a lot, so you can see market is forming here some kind of the head and shoulders pattern that theoretically could lead market either to the 1190 or even 1140 area is the target of this possible head and shoulders. And what is interesting is that the head and shoulders itself doesn't contradict the overall idea of the normal market behavior, because as we already explained this thrust up is the first thrust after the long-term bearish action in the gold market, and there's still a lot of bearish momentum still exists on the market, and gold needs some time to fade it out. And usually the momentum fades by some deep retracements. So when the momentum starts impacting the market, it triggers the deep retracement. When momentum is fade out, market turns up again. And from that standpoint, the deep retracement here is certainly normal behavior, and appearing of the head and shoulders here absolutely doesn't contradict, as I said, the overall idea of the normal market action. But still, since the gold market is not just a financial asset, it's not just a commodity, it's also the geopolitical asset, and that's why gold market is most difficult market for trading, because it really has some tendency to create some surprises and not expected behavior. So it's most difficult market for trading. So an appearing of the grabber here, this is just small candle, could break overall perspective of this pattern. Why? Because take a look, this grabber suggests the movement above the top of the shoulder, but this in turn, the action above the top of the shoulder, will be absolutely breaking moment for, it's just frustration for head and shoulders pattern, because it will be quite rational behavior when the bears should take the control of the market, but market oppositely moves above this and breaking this domination of the bears. That's the first moment. Second moment, the grabber itself could trigger the preterm upward reversal, since you can see market hasn't quite reached the neckline. We even do not want to talk about another move from the neckline to the upside, right back up to the top of the shoulder, but you could see that this upward action could start even before market will reach the neckline. So this double irrational behavior. So what really could happen as a result of this action? Why this grabber is important? Because the idea of this importance stands not in the just relation to the stop, not to the minor target of this grabber, but as a result of this minor candle, the head and shoulders could fail, but the failure of the head and shoulders usually leads to moving above the top, above the head. That in turn could lead to the appearing of this butterfly pattern. Let's take a look. This could be the left wing of the butterfly, and that could become the right wing of the butterfly. This could lead market. Let's calculate the first destination. First destination will be, as you can see, 1306, 1308 area, and this area is important on the monthly chart. So you can just read our analysis, you will find this level here, there, 1308. This is important. So anyway, even from the daily perspective, this action more than the $60 per contract is really very significant action. That's why, as you can see, we have just minor candle here, but how significant impact stand behind this candle. So this is really interesting. So, and right now, as you can see, this thrusting action has appeared here, and this has confirmed our confirmed our doubts on the perspective from the head and shoulders. First doubt we have announced when the market wasn't able to complete the free drive pattern here, we said, okay, maybe something has changed. We just adjust the neckline. But right after the market wasn't able to complete that free drive, market has formed a grabber, and right now it stands the upward action of this grabber. This really not just the occasion, it's not just some occasional agreement. This is something, definitely something is going on here. Also, we have pointed on disappearing of the large bullish dynamic pressure, since we have the trend shifting bearish here. As you can see, market is forming high bottoms. It's very typical for the dynamic pressure, and the dynamic pressure also suggests the taking out of this top. So you can see the situation gradually is changing on the gold market, and it's really chances exist that market will continue move higher right from these levels, but not after some retracement that we're waiting for. It's very interesting. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we will take a look at just smaller picture. Here it is. As you can see, market after moving up shown the 618 retracement. Now, as you can see, is challenging double pivot area. So this is the weekly pivot point, this blue line, and the gold line is the monthly pivot point. And its action right now looks successful. So you can see this really thrusting action here. Markets gradually is breaking through them. Here we will use AB equals CD target. Why? Because on the daily chart, guys, grabber suggests the action above the top. But as you can see, retracement here is slightly lower than the 618 support, and it means that the minor target, 618 extension of this ABCD pattern, will stand somewhere around weekly pivot resistance 1, but it stands below the top. But grabber suggests action above the top. Hence, the next logical target will be AB equals CD, stands at 1277, and then agrees with the monthly pivot resistance 1. So that will be short-term destination with possible upward action. But as soon as market will move above the top of the shoulder, it probably will tell us that we will see the 1308 at minimum. So this will be a really big event for the daily chart. This will be a really big challenge on the perspective of the failure of the whole head and shoulders pattern and action above the head. So this will be very important. But right now we already see some signs of this upward action. So let's see what we will get next.